Good morning, my friends. Today is Thursday, May the 14th, and we're going to be doing our introduction and our calendar and our spelling all together in one video. So on Thursday, we are going to have a whole class meeting at 9:30. We're going to be learning about living and non-living things and how we can tell the difference. We're going to be reviewing some spelling words as, with, his, they, and I from list number 1. We have a story from Magic School Bus called Magic School Bus Hops Home, and it's all about what animals need to survive. So our writing lesson for that day is going to be a fact-finding mission. We're going to use some examples to answer the question, what do animals need to survive? And we're going to use some examples about Bella in the Magic School Bus video. We're going to do some practice skip counting by 10. Our number is 27, and we're going to be practicing adding and subtracting with word problems that have answers that have many different answers, and you're going to draw it, write it, and solve it. So go ahead and grab your calendar with me today, and we're going to start with our calendar, and then we'll review our spelling words. Remember, you can color the picture if you are not finished coloring the picture and you like to color, go right ahead. We need the number 14 today under the Thursday column, so it's a 1 and a 4, and you know 7 plus 7 makes 14. There's 7 is on a Thursday, and then 7 days until the next week, we have our double for 14. Find number 14 on your tulip and give it a color. Today is partly cloudy, partly sunny, so you need to decide, is it more sunny or more cloudy for yours? I'm going to pick more sunny. And then, my friends, have a look outside and decide, is it all the way cloudy, partly cloudy, or more sunny? And I'm going to say today is more sunny outside my window. So I'm going to color it a yellow block. Move to your next number of the day with me. And our number today is the number 27. I'm going to put 27 right in there. It is May the 14th. And it is not even because 7 is not even. 3 plus 3 makes 6, and 4 plus 4 makes 8. So I know that the number must be odd because I don't have a double that makes the ones column. You could also count by 2s all the way up to 27 in order to see if you land on it or skip it. And if we were counting by 10s, we would miss it. So we would just go 10, 20, 30, skip way over. Use the Counting by 10 song that's posted online to do some practice with Jack Harmon and have some fitness. And that we're going to have 2 words for 27, 20, and between them if you're fitting them all on one line, or you can write them like I did. For 27, I need enough tally marks to take 20 and 5 more. So that's 5 groups of 5. So I'm going to quickly make my 5 groups of 5. Notice I have nice spaces between my groups, so you can easily see there's 4 groups and there's the 5th group of 5. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I need 26, 27, 2 more to make 27. 27 minus 1, 1 less, is 26. 27 plus 1, 1 more, is 28. I'm going to put 27 right here on my number line. Oh, apparently I'm going to put 28 right here on my number line because I wasn't paying attention. So put 27 before that. Then we'd have 28, 29, 30, 31 at the end of our number line segment. And counting backwards, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21 at the other end of my segment. My marker's a little bit thick and it's not helping me out. To make 27, I need 2 full 10 frames and 1 partial 10 frames, so I'm going to have to squeeze 3 10 frames in here. Remember, to make 5 rows, you're going to have 4 lines. We're going to have 2 that are full. You can color them full, or you can draw dots in them like I am. If you color them full, make sure you're coloring them entirely full and you're not leaving them looking like 8s or 9s. We know we have 5 more plus 2 more, so that means a whole row on top is going to be full, plus 2 more. For place value blocks, I need 2 10 rods. Those are those long rods. And then I don't have any groups that stick together to make 7, so I need 7 separate. I'm going to put 4 in one row and 3 in one row because I know 4 plus 3 makes 7. Dice dots for 27. I'm going to need lots of dice. I think I will do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 2 more. That means I need 5 on each of my dice if I did them counting by 5s. I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Counting forward from 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and counting backwards from 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, and 20. Drawing a picture of 27, that's a lot of things, so I'm going to do super quick circles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do another row with 10. If I make them exactly underneath, you can see I have 10. I'm going to make a row that is missing 3. So I'm going to leave blank, 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 and then I can tell I have 27 very easily. If I want to break 27 into my number bonds, 27 goes in the big spot. I think I'll put 7 on one spot and 20 in another, which is the 20 plus 7 from that picture. 27 goes in the top. I think I'm going to put 25 plus 2 more. And then my number sentences can be 25 plus 2 equals 27. 20 plus 7 equals 27. My subtractions can use this equation with 30. So 30 minus 3 that are empty equals 27. And if I want to go higher, I could say 40 minus those 3 plus a whole blank 10 frame would be minus 13 equals 27. Go ahead, do your number of the day. Grab your whiteboard to practice printing your spelling words with me one time. And then, my friends, I'm suggesting today that you do some fancy letters for your spelling. So print them one time nice and neat with me, and then you can go ahead and make them fancy letters. Any way you want, bubble letters, curly Q's, anything at all. So our first word is the word as. We need a secret C letter for A, around and up and down. It's a short letter. The S keeps the curve in the bottom. Then we have the word with, a nice W, short I, short T, short H. Then we have the word his, a bouncing, tall H that bounces, a bouncing H, start at the top, down, up, and over. Short I, curvy S. Make sure your S curve on the top and the bottom are the same. They is a tall T, a bouncing tall, one bounce H. Out, up, and around for E, and Y looks like a V until you keep going and it becomes a Y. So try to keep that back line perfectly straight on your hanging letter Y. The letter I is always capital. When I type it, it looks like this, but that looks a lot like a 1 and a lowercase l. So when we print it, we always want to put a top and a bottom on. I is always capital when you're writing because it refers to you. So that's good to know. It replaces your name. Names are capital. The beginning letter is capital. And I always has a capital letter. Go ahead, my friends, and do your calendar and your spelling. Practice with some fancy letters. But if you'd rather do something different, you have the option to practice with tiles, magnetic letters, Play-Doh, pipe cleaners, sidewalk chalk, spelling city, or if you have a piece of garden that isn't planted yet, you might take a stick out and draw your words in the dirt or in the sand if you have a sandbox. Have fun with that and join me later for some subtraction practice and word problems and our writing about what animals need to survive. Have a wonderful Thursday.